In English, we say potato. In Kankanaay, we say patatas. In English, we say kettle. In Kankanaay, we say takuri. In English, we say socket. In Kankanaay, we say saksakan. This is eyeglass. In Kankanaay, we say antukos. This is soft broom. In Kankanaay, we say sagad. These are clothes. In Kankanaay, we say sapin. These are branches. In Kankanaay, we say sanga. In English, we say flower or flowers. In Kankanaay, we say sabong or sabsabong. These are stones. In Kankanaay, we say batu or batbatu. These are leaves. In Kankanaay, we say bulong or bulbulong. For plural, we say bulbulong. These are roots. In Kankanaay, we say ramut. These are woods. In Kankanaay, we say kaiw. In English, lata. In Kankanaay, we say lata or latlata. These are coconuts. In Kankanaay, we say niyog. These are plants or mulmula. If singular, we say mula. This is window. In Kankanaay, we say tawa. This is betel nut. In Kankanaay, we say buwa. This is mug for coffee. In Kankanaay, we say pankapian. These are chopping boards. In Kankanaay, we say langdetan.